Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers. This is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you Wi-Fi manage no network remove settings in Windows 11. So for this case I will go to the search option here and enter the settings. See here the settings option and we'll go to the network and internet option. So here the arrow sign I will click and we have got the things manage network and network. So here add, remove and edit options. So here this kinds of a network I have or I want to remove this thing. So let's get say at the forget see or I will do the off automatically. Here I have unmark and I will go the previous deep link and forgot. See the thing has been removed. So in this way we can remove the manage known network. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.